before humans ever stepped into space. Before Neil Armstrong walked on the moon, animals were the first explorers to leave Earth. They didn't go for fame. They didn't understand rockets or gravity. Yet their journeys changed human history forever. Today, let's uncover the true stories of the animals that went to space, the heroes we rarely talk about. In the early days of space exploration, scientists didn't know if a living being could survive launch, weightlessness, or re-entry. So before risking human lives, they sent animals to answer critical questions. Can a body breathe in space? Can the heart function without gravity? Can life return safely to Earth? These animals became the pioneers of space science. In 1947, the very first animals sent to space were fruit flies. They were launched aboard a US V-2 rocket. Because their genetic makeup is surprisingly similar to humans, the mission studied the effects of radiation at high altitude, and the flies returned alive. In the late 1940s and early 1950s, the U.S. sent monkeys named Albert I to Albert VI into space. Some missions failed, and some monkeys didn't survive. These early experiments were tragic but crucial. They helped scientists understand oxygen supply, acceleration effects, spacecraft life support systems. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Laika, a stray dog from the streets of Moscow. She became the first living being to orbit Earth aboard Sputnik 2. Laika was trained to sit in tiny capsules, eat gel food, endure extreme forces. Sadly, Laika did not return home. Her spacecraft was never designed for re-entry. Her mission proved something historic. Right, a living being could survive launch and orbit. Laika became a symbol of scientific progress, sacrifice, and ethical debate. In 1960, two Soviet dogs, Belka and Strelka, made history. They orbited Earth 18 times and returned safely. One of Strelka's puppies was later gifted to U.S. President John F. Kennedy, a living reminder of the space race. The U.S. space program used chimpanzees because of their intelligence. Just months later, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. Other animals that reached space. Over the years, many other creatures traveled beyond Earth. Mice and rats, cats, turtles, frogs, fish, spiders which learned to spin webs in zero gravity. Each mission revealed more about how life adapts beyond our planet. These animals never chose to be astronauts. Their journeys raise important questions. Was it necessary? Was it humane? Could space exploration exist today without their sacrifice? What's undeniable is this: their missions paved the way for human spaceflight. Before humans touched the stars, animals showed us it was possible. They were the first explorers of the unknown. Small hearts, brave journeys, and a giant leap for humankind. If you enjoyed this story, remember to like, subscribe, and share. because history should remember every hero, even the ones who never spoke.